Before we start today's video, I got like two small things I want to say to you guys. One, we are going to attempt doing Vlogmas this year. It's only the second day of December and we're already 2 videos deep, so I'm going to try to daily upload to the best of my ability. I'm probably not going to upload on weekends because that's a lot of work and commitment for me, and I gotta live my life, and I don't get paid to do this. So I'm going to try uploading Monday through Friday until Christmas every day, and hopefully something good comes out of it. Number two, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw what happened to my diffuser. If not, I'll show you guys here in a minute, because I was super excited to install my exhaust today and see how it fit with my diffuser, but the diffuser's not there anymore because it's missing and it's gone forever, and I'm sad about it. But you know, mistakes happen, things happen, you live, you learn. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, it's cold, it's windy, it's been drizzling on and off, but we are going to install the new Megan Racing exhaust, well, the new exhaust on the BRZ today, and I'm very excited for it. So first things first, we're gonna just move the car forward into our spot so you guys can hear a little bit of a driving thing before we take it off. If I don't like the exhaust, I'm gonna try for a week. If I don't like it, I'm gonna put the old one back on. We'll see what happens, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not, because you never know with these sorts of things. So we're gonna move the car up and then we're gonna get started, guys. As you guys can see, my diffuser completely snapped off and broke some of the plastic bits here. So we don't have to put this on any bricks to lift it up this time, which is nice. But I'm gonna remove all these broken bits so it's not just hanging down and scraping everywhere we go. That splitter fitment though, damn, you want bags, son? Because I like safety nets, I don't just jack stands. So I had a tire, I'm still keeping that under there. It's completely on the jack stands, but just in case it falls, I won't die as bad. So I'm going to attempt to take this exhaust off without any power tools, and I've loosened all these bolts before in the past, so it should be doable. So it's just like the mid-pipe back, take off, I think, a couple bolts, take off the hangers, and I have a special trick when it comes to hangers. I use a pry tool or a flathead. If you stick this in there, wiggle it around, you can easily get hangers off. So I'm gonna try to do this kind of quickly because it is cold and windy out here. I don't want to be stuck doing this all day. I feel spoiled right now. I am so used to working on the Civic with its rusty bolts that these bolts came out so easily and smoothly. It was amazing. They have two spring bolts in there, which I hate spring bolts. I think it's just a stupid thing. But it's a 12mm and a 14mm on the other side, but it's not very hard to take out. So as long as you break it, you can put a ratchet in there. And then I'm pretty sure we don't really have to disconnect anything else. We just have to disconnect from hangers now, because I don't really want to unbolt the current axle back off, because I don't think I need to. So I'm just gonna see if I can take the hangers off and just lower the whole thing down now. Sometimes weird methods work, like that sloth method. The way this exhaust is set up, there's no notches on it, so it's kind of like you just have to push it really hard to one side. So we got the exhaust off, and we got the two here, right here, and this mid-pipe section is definitely a lot bigger. The resonator is 1/4 of the size, and I'm really curious of how loud this is going to be. Comparing the two, this is the old one to the new one. I mean, the diameter is definitely a lot bigger on this one, especially when it comes down to here. That's little PP power. That's some big PP energy right there. And then, you know, we have the mufflers, so I'm really curious to see how this sounds. I'm excited, boys. So the mid-pipe section is now on. It's only 2 bolts and 1 hanger, so it's not that hard. So now we're gonna put up this part, and hopefully this part goes just as smooth as the mid-pipe did, and we can fire her up and see how she sounds here in just a second. I'm having a lot of trouble actually lining it up to go onto the brackets. This side was, or the passenger side, it was difficult, but it wasn't like too difficult. The other side, it's like nearly impossible. I'll try to figure this out though. A little bit of a life hack, and it sucks it's getting dark now, is use a heat gun to warm up the rubber so it's easier to manipulate. I did that, stuck a little bit of a pick in it because I have metal picks for like hitting things out, a metal punch. You can use one of those and it was a lot easier to do it that way. Sometimes I don't take into consideration that like things get cold and they get little or they get hard, like rubber. When it gets kind of cold, it gets really hard, so you just heat it up a bit and it's easy to get off. Everything is buttoned up, all my tools are now put away. I'm going to lower the car and we're going to give her a quick start. Unfortunately, I can't really do an edit right now because it's kind of dark out. Even though it doesn't look that dark on the vlog, it's really dark in person. So I'm going to lower it, start her up, do a couple little small rev skis, and then tomorrow, since I'm doing these daily vlogs, I'm going to give you guys more of a sound thing, and we have other stuff going on tomorrow too. So let's drop her down and start her up. It's so quiet. I know we have some exhaust leaks going on right now because I don't have a gasket in there, but this is so quiet. I'm kind of upset about this right now. I love having a loud car. It sounds good. It's just so quiet. It looks good. It's just too quiet though. Like, I can talk over my exhaust right now. That's weird for me. Like, it literally sounds stock right now, and I love when it's loud. I think I'm gonna end up going back to what I had on here before. There's no noise. I'm gonna try for a week, maybe. If I don't like it that much, I'm gonna go back. But it is too quiet for me. Like, I'm legitimately upset about this. I'll just have to be a lot louder, and I was like, not louder, but at least close. You win some, you lose some. I'm gonna try it for a week. Quiet exhaust challenge for a week. Well, I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys please do me a few things, if my camera wants to focus on my face as I want to. If you guys could please do me a few things, comment, like, subscribe, keep doing that fun stuff, keep doing you guys, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out and peace.